shift from globalism to regionalism minilateralism. The global order is moving away from universal globalism towards regional and interest-driven coalitions. Nations are favoring smaller, more focused partnerships over large multilateral institutions. Reasons for the shift: global conflicts and institutional paralysis. Conflicts like Russia-Ukraine and Israel-Gaza expose the limitations of global governance. UN Security Council deadlocks hinder conflict resolution. Reassertion of national sovereignty. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted supply chain vulnerabilities and unequal vaccine access, prompting countries to prioritize self-reliance. Historical disillusionment. Developing countries criticize unequal power dynamics in global institutions, WTO, IMF, World Bank, leading them to seek alternative platforms like BRICS. Rise of regionalism minilateralism. Regionalism. Geographically and culturally aligned partnerships, example EU, ASEAN. Minilateralism. Smaller, interest-based groups, example Quad, ITU2, for focused cooperation. Flexible coalitions like Quad, BRICS, and IMEC promote strategic autonomy and faster decision-making. India's role: actively engaging in regional initiatives like BIMSTEC and IORA. Promoting regional connectivity through projects like BBIN. Serving as a security provider and humanitarian responder. Acting as a trade and investment hub in South Asia. Promoting shared cultural and democratic values. Challenges to India's regional integration efforts. Perception of hegemony. Smaller nations perceive India's dominance as overbearing. Bilateral political tensions, disputes with Pakistan and China strain relations. Asymmetry in economic capabilities. Vast economic disparities hinder policy alignment. China's strategic entrenchment. China's growing influence through BRI complicates India's agenda. Way forward for India: revive and reform regional institutions like BIMSTEC and IORA. Strengthen sub-regional partnerships like BBIN. Boost regional trade and connectivity through simplified customs and integrated infrastructure. Foster inclusive engagement through transparent aid and cultural diplomacy. Historical context